Is your money Mogo in the right direction? Ever heard of Mogo? It's a Canadian fintech company aiming to be your one-stop shop for all things financial. Free credit score monitoring? Check. Identity theft protection? Yep. They even offer digital spending accounts and a supposedly streamlined mortgage experience. Sounds pretty slick, right? But before you jump on the Mogo bandwagon, let's take a closer look and see if this fintech upstart is a good fit for your investment portfolio. First things first, Mogo isn't exactly a household name. Founded in 2013, they're still a relatively young company in the ever-competitive world of finance. That means there's a higher degree of risk involved compared to established financial institutions. On the flip side, young companies often have more room for growth, which is what makes them so attractive to some investors. So, is Mogo on the right track? Well, that depends on who you ask. There's only one analyst rating out there right now, and it's a moderate buy with a lofty price target of over $8. That sounds great, but remember, this is just one analyst, and analyst ratings should never be the sole factor in your investment decisions. Let's dig a little deeper. Mogo isn't exactly raking in the profits yet. They're still in the growth phase, which means they're constantly reinvesting their earnings back into the business to expand their user base and develop new features. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, but it does mean you shouldn't expect huge dividend payouts anytime soon. But wait, there's more. Mogo operates in the ever-crowded fintech space. They're facing stiff competition from established players like big banks and new-age challenger banks. Standing out in this market is no easy feat. Mogo needs to find a way to differentiate itself and capture a significant market share to truly thrive. One way they're doing this is by focusing on millennials and Gen Z. These demographics are known to be tech-savvy and open to new financial solutions. Mogo's digital-first approach and focus on financial literacy could resonate well with this younger generation. So, is Mogo a surefire bet? Absolutely not. The fintech space is volatile, and Mogo is still a young company with a lot to prove. However, if you're an investor with a high risk tolerance and a long-term outlook, Mogo could be an interesting addition to your portfolio, especially if you believe they can capture a significant chunk of the younger demographic. Here's the bottom line. Investing in Mogo is a gamble. There's a chance it could pay off handsomely, but there's also a chance you could lose money. Before you invest, do your own research, consider your risk tolerance, and figure out if Mogo aligns with your overall investment goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.